Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. At last we have come to IRR calculation. IRR means internal rate of return. Internal rate of return. Rate of return would be how much? How much would be the ideal internal rate of return? That we are going to calculate. In simple words, what is IRR? Means IRR equates the present value of cash inflows with the present value of cash outflows. Let me use another marker. IRR equates present value of cash inflows with the present value of cash outflows. Cash inflows, cash outflows, both of them to be near. What would be the ideal rate? So that is IRR. Very simple. Many people are confusing. IRR is tough. Nothing. Very simple, easy way I'll tell you today. Just focus 10 minutes, you will understand everything. How to calculate this IRR? For that, only two steps you have to remember. Calculation of IRR. First step is calculate two NPVs at different cost of capital. Two NPVs at different cost of capital. Most of the time in the problem it will be given one cost of capital, maybe 10%, 12%, something is given. Then you have to decide about the next cost of capital, next NPV, at what rate you have to calculate. That you have to decide. This is one method. One cost of capital is given, second one you have to guess and you have to calculate. This is one method. Another method is cost of capital is not at all given in the problem. Nothing is given. You have to guess two cost of capitals. Are you getting it? While working out problem, you will understand everything. Right now, you just remember you have to calculate NPV at two types of cost of capital. If it is 10% is given. Next, another one you have to guess and you have to calculate one more NPV. Two NPVs are required at the rate of two different cost of capital. This is the first step. And the second step is that we have to use this formula. Easy to remember. L plus present value at lower rate. Present value you are calculating, NPV you are calculating at two rates. No? So present value at lower rate, present value divided by present value at lower rate minus present value at higher rate into H minus L. Okay. Here L means lower rate, H means higher rate. L, H we have used now, lower rate, higher rate. PVL means present value at lower rate. PVL, PVH means present value at higher rate. Okay. So this is the formula. There is one more method people calculate to use the IRR, that is fake payback period people take. Fake payback period they'll take, and that is matching with present value table. That's a lengthy process and many students will get confused. That is why easy method I'm telling you. Whatever I'm saying, you exactly follow as it is. Okay. So what are the how to calculate IRR? Two points you have to remember. One is calculate two NPVs at different cost of capital and use this formula. IRR is equal to L plus PVL by PVL minus PVH into difference between the higher rate and lower rate, H minus L. Okay, this is the formula. And how do we know that NPV calculation? How do we calculate what is the cost of capital you have to take? For that you have to remember this small thing, calculation of NPV. Which rate you have to calculate? One rate you will be taking. Either it's given in the problem or you have to guess any number like 10%, 12% like this. Okay. And with that if you get answer positive as per the first NPV, say for example NPV at the rate of 10% I have calculated, answer is positive. If answer is positive, calculate NPV at higher rate. If my answer as per the 10% positive means I have to go for higher rate. Higher rate means maybe 11%, 12%, 15%, anything. There is no particularly you have to use this percentage only, you have to go for next two, nothing is there. Say I wanted to go for 12%. Yes, you can. Say I want to go for 15%. Yes, you can. Or 11%. I wanted to go anything, but which should be higher than the 10%, because as per the 10% your NPV is positive. Getting it? If at all your NPV is negative, if it is negative, then you have to go for lower rate. The same example I tell you. My answer as per the 10% it is negative. Then one more NPV I have to calculate. What should be that? It must be below the 10%. It may be 9%, 8% or 7%. Anything below this. Able to understand? This you have to remember. First NPV you will be calculating as per the given problem, or otherwise you can guess and you can calculate. Second NPV, what would be the rate means you have to remember. Positive means go for higher. Negative means go for lesser. Understood up to here? Then acceptance rule. Acceptance rule. Accept the project when R is more than the cost of capital. R means IRR. IRR, whatever internal rate of return you are getting, if it is more than cost of capital say 10%. 10%. Your IRR is 12%, 13%, whatever it may be. More than that means we'll accept it. If IRR is, reject the project when R is less than the cost of capital. Cost of capital is 10%. My answer is 9%, 8.5%. If it is less, reject it. You may have another doubt. R is equal to K. It's your wish. Accept or reject it. Am I clear? Up to here? If you are not clear, once again just pause the video. Once again hear everything. Then after that you can work out the problem. Okay. Simple thing you have to remember. IRR means at 2 NPV you have to calculate cost of capital. Okay. Then after that you have to use the formula. And what should be the next NPV means based on the answer of the first NPV. First NPV is positive, go for more. First NPV value is negative, then go for lesser IRR, lesser NPV, second one, cost of capital. Okay, like this you will be deciding. Accept or reject rule is this. Am I clear? Now, if you are clear up to this, we'll go for problem. Simple. Another 5 to 10 minutes focus. You'll understand everything. Now here, a project requires an investment of 12 lakh rupees. A project requires investment. Their outflow is 12 lakh rupees. Their investment is 12 lakh. Has a 4 years of life. Cash inflows are 4 lakh 50, 5 lakh 40, 3 lakh 60, 2 lakh 82. They are inflows every year expecting this much. The cost of capital is 11%. Calculate IRR. 11% is given. We'll calculate NPV at the rate of 11%. Okay. Now based on the answer, we'll decide the next cost of capital. What would be the percentage? No confusion. First we'll calculate NPV. We know NPV. Last class we have done. Same NPV we'll calculate right now. So at the rate of 11%. 11% means you know how to calculate 1 by 1 plus R. R is here 11%. 1 plus 1 by 11 means 1 by 1 plus 0.11 means 1 by 1.11. So now what I have done here, columns here, first year, how many years are there? 4 years. 4 years I have written. Cash inflows 4 lakh 50, 5 lakh 40, 3 lakh 60 and 2 lakh 80. You know as per the NPV. PV factor already they said 11%. PV at the rate of 11%. Present value of cash inflow. PV at the rate of cash inflow. This multiply we are going to do. Up to here all the columns you know. Next we'll decide next NPV at what rate. What would be the cost of capital? That we'll see later. Right now focus here. 11%. 11% means as per this 1 divided by 1.11. 1 divided by 1.11. It comes to 0.9009. 0.9009. Okay. So this I got. If I press is equal to, I'll get second value. Second value is 0.8116. Okay. Once again, if I press is equal to third year value, 0.73119 means 12. Once again, if I press is equal to, I'll get fourth year value 0.6587. Hope you know the calculations. 1 divided by 1.11, you got this much value. When you get that value, just simply you have to press is equal to. You will get second year value. For third year, once again is equal to press third year value. Once again, if you press 4 is equal to. This is for second year, third year and fourth year. Like you got these values. Now what to do? Multiplication. Cash inflow into PV factor. So we'll do the calculations. 4,50,000 into, need to be careful, into 0.9009. I'll keep it in memory. This is 4,05,405. Second one, 5,40,000 into 0.8116 comes to 4,38,264. In the same way, third one, 3,60,000 into 0.7312 comes to 2,63,232. Next, 2,82,000 into 0.6587. It is 1,85,754. This total, if you do it, I'm getting 12,92,654. 92,654. This is I'm getting. Once again, calculations we can check it out. 4,50,000 into 0.9009. It's 4,05,405. Correct. Next, 5,40,000 into 0.8116. 4,38,264. Okay. Next, 3,60,000 into 0.7312. This 2,63,262. Correct. Next, 2,82,000 into 0.6587 is equal to, correct, 886,000. Total is this much, 2,92,000. Yes. Now this is over. NPV you have to calculate for this. NPV for project A. Sorry, not project A, NPV at the rate of 11% cost of capital. Formula is, present value of cash inflows minus cash outflows. I'm not writing the formula, it will take lots of place, so I'm not writing. Present value of cash inflows minus cash outflow. Present value of cash inflow is 12,92,654 minus cash outflow 12 lakh. It's coming to 92,654. Positive, na? Answer is here, please remember. So this is positive value. NPV at the rate of 11%. 11% is given as per that. NPV is positive value. When NPV is positive value, what we have to do? Another NPV we have to calculate at the rate of different cost of capital. That should be higher. I told you here, okay? Our answer is positive. Positive means we can take higher than this. If our value is less, negative, then we would have gone for lesser cost of capital. Now it is higher, so I'll go for positive means I'll go for higher cost of capital. Higher cost of capital, anything we can take, 12%, 13%, 14%, 15%, 16%, anything, but it should be more than the 11%. For example, I'm taking 15%. Okay, this is my guess. Anything we can take. PV factor at the rate of 15%. Whatever I'm going to work out, the same problem you can see at the rate of 12%, 13, 14, any percent, but answer must be same. If I want to take 15%, so this is changing now. So 15% means this is 15. 15. This is also 15. Now 1 by 1.15. This PV factor and present value of cash inflow. One more important thing I wanted to tell you. Generally people prepare two tables. Up to here, one table. And at the rate of 15%, another table you can prepare. Because of space problem, I am preparing everything in one table only. Downside, you can say calculation of NPV at the rate of 15%. Here it is calculation of NPV at the rate of 11%. Like this, you can prepare two tables. This is another table. First column, second column, third column, fourth column. Downside, this table you have to prepare. Okay. Now let us see the PV factor at the rate of 15%. It means 1 by 1.15. It's coming to 0.8696. 0.8696. Okay, is equal to press. You'll get second year value. Second year value is 0.7561. For third year is equal to once again 0.6575. And for fourth year, once again press is equal to 0.5718. 175 means 18 I have taken. So values we got it. Now what to do? Present value of cash inflow. Cash inflow is here. So these two we are going to multiply. Are you ready? Yeah. 4,50,000 into 0.8696 comes to 3,91,320. Second one 5,40,000 into this one 0.7561. 4,08,294. Next third one 3,60,000 into 0.6575. 2,36,700. Next 2,82,000 into 0.5718. This is 1,61,248. Total I am getting 11,97,000. 562. This is I am getting. NPV at the rate of 11% cost of capital, you got this much. NPV at the rate of 15%. How do you get NPV? Present value, that is present value minus outflow. Present value of cash inflows means this one minus outflow. Okay, so this is how much you got? 11,97,562 minus 12 lakh. Answer you are getting around 24,000. This is minus 24,384. So sorry, 2,438 minus, but this is minus value you are getting. Problem is not yet over. We have calculated NPV as per the given 11%. As the value is positive, so we have gone for another cost of capital, that is 15%. As per the 15%, I got this much. Okay, now after that we'll apply the formula. So we got NPV at the rate of 11% and also 15%. Now we'll apply the formula. Formula is this one, L plus PVL. Sorry, I forgot to write outflow. Minus outflow, it comes cash outflow. PVL minus cash outflow. Present value at lower rate means this one minus cash outflow. Cash outflow is 12 lakh. It is given now, so this comes here. PVL minus cash outflow by PVL minus PVH. Rest of the formula is everything normal, only I forgot to write cash outflow. Okay, now we'll apply the formula. IRR is equal to L, lower rate. Lower rate is 11%, higher rate is 15%. So lower rate is 11%. You have to write the formula, even everything also, step by step. Okay, so 11% plus present value at lower rate. Present value at lower rate means this one, not NPV. They are saying present value at lower rate. Lower rate means this one. So it comes to 12 lakh 92,654 minus cash outflow. Cash outflow is 12 lakh is given here, minus 12 lakh divided by present value of lower rate means same amount will write here. Present value at lower rate 92,654 minus present value at higher rate. Present value of higher rate means this one, 11,97,562 into higher rate minus lower rate. Higher rate is here 15%, lower rate is 11%. So this is 4. How do you got 4? 15 minus 11. You got 4. Now multiplication you have to say. So this is same one, no? 12,92,654 minus 12 lakh, same one. So I'll write it here, 11 plus 92,654 divided by this calculation you have to say 12 lakh 92,654 minus 11 lakh 97,562. It is 95,092 into 4. Shall I do the calculation here? If we multiply with 4, this next step, 11 plus multiply 92,654 into 4, it comes to 3,70,616 divided by 95,092 divided by 95,092. It is coming to 3.89 means 3.9 I can say. 11 plus 3.89 90 means total 14. 11 plus 3 it comes to 14. 14.90 is the IRR. So where is the marker? Here. So 14.90 is the IRR. Let me give you a recap. There is nothing to worry, simple problem. Only the thing is you have to understand what is given. A project is given, that investment is 12 lakh and cash inflows for every year, 4 years it is given. Cost of capital is 11% already given. Okay. So calculate the IRR. First we'll calculate the NPV as per the 11%. As per the 11% up to here, you know the calculations of NPV. At the rate of 11%, we know the values and multiplied present value with PV factor. So you got this much. So NPV, if you calculate at the rate of 11%, you are getting 92,654. So this is positive. Positive means you can take next cost of capital higher than the 11%. Higher than the 11%. 11%. So I have taken 15%. There is no hard and fast rule. You can take 14%, 12%. Right now you take 12% and work out and see. Or 13% you take and work out and see. Ultimately your answer will be 14.90. Are you getting it? So I have taken at the rate of 15%. As per the 15%, it is coming to this much. So NPV is this. We don't want to touch the NPV. We just want the present value of cash inflows at the rate of 15% and the present value at the rate of 11%. These two values we need. Only these two values. We'll apply it in the formula. Formula is here. L, lower class, lower cost of capital, 11%. Okay. L plus present value of lower rate. Present value of lower rate means this one, 12,92,654 minus cash outflow. Cash outflow is here 12 lakh minus 12 lakh divided by present value of lower, this one, minus present value of higher, into lower and higher difference, 15 minus 11, 4. All the simplification calculations if we have done, you got it 14.90 IRR. IRR is 14.90. Now here accept or reject rule. If IRR is more than the cost of capital, accept. Cost of capital is here given 11%, but our value is here 14.90. Accept. The project is accepted because as per the 11% cost of capital, IRR is more than that. How much? 14.90. So the project is accepted. If the value is less than 11%, actually cost of capital is 11%. Actual cost of capital. We have assumed this is not going to seen. Only the given one is 11%. But our value is more than that. So that is why it is accepted. Am I clear? Want to take screenshot? Yes. Next class will take when cost of capital is not at all given. So this is not given. You have to assume. You have to work out. That problem also we'll see. Okay? Understood? Na? Easy. Nothing to worry. You take any problem from your textbook. Start working out. Where some percentage is given. 11% is given. Okay. 10% is given. Okay. Next, another one. How do you guess? Based on the answer of the 11% NPV. If answer is positive, take more than that. At least 2 to 3 you take. 11% is given. I want to take 13%, 14%, 15%. Like this you take and see. The answer should be the same. Like this only. Got it? Next class we'll see. Another problem where IRR is cost of capital is not at all given. Both you have to guess. Both the cost of capital, first one, second one, both we have to guess. That we'll see. Stay connected. Don't forget to check the playlist. There are many subjects already covered, and please do share. Stay connected and practice well. Good luck.